Hey guys, Dante here. Sorry I haven't gotten to this video sooner, but this is the aftermath of the rainstorm that I had. Remember when I showed you how crazy high the water level was in my brook? This is what happened after it. It changed the entire topography or geography, whichever term's right, of the brook. It piled up all those rocks over there. Those weren't there before. There used to be a small gap that you can walk on of stones. Well, now all the stones are over there. And let's see, it's completely taken down a tree. That tree used to go completely across the brook. Now it's down there. Completely gone. Bye-bye tree. Anyways, yep. There was never a sandbank over there, and the little stream that you see running through there, that was never there before. It used to just go straight into the brook. Now it's all curved. What else has changed? The bank over there is much larger. The island that you see over there, I think I've shown you that before. Yeah, half of it's gone. Like, a good massive chunk of it is just gone. The rain washed it away. Yep, it's amazing what Mother Nature can do in a single day. Well, it's not too bad. I mean, still got some pretty flowers here. Still got the stream. I love that little stream. It looks cute. That is actually pretty cool. With the stuff. Yep, there goes a little dragonfly. You guys didn't see it, but it just... Ooh, just found something. Raccoon tracks. Yep. There's some more in the mud. Check it out, guys. I think these are fresh. Ooh, raccoon in the area. But then again, that's not new. Is that a raccoon track? I think I found a... Is that a raccoon? Hang on. No, I don't think it's raccoon. I think it's coyote. I think I found a coyote track too, guys. Yep, a lot of raccoon, a lot of tracks. There's some people tracks. Those are from me yesterday. Yep, came down to check on the brook. Sinking the mud a bit. Yep. See, everything over there is gone. No more stone walkway. But now I got a little, like, waterfall thingy here. Too bad I murked up all this. Yep. You should see this in, like, midsummer. It's, like, filled with nothing but brook trout. And I think some bluegill sunnies as well. Yeah. Get a lot of interesting creatures down here. I mean, just the other day, came down here, there was a great blue heron. As soon as I got close to the gate, it flew away. So, couldn't get a video on that, sorry. But yeah. I love living like this. By the water. And all these bugs, though. Do without the bugs. Just wish I could walk down there again. I would catch salamanders over there all the time in the summer. Oh, they're gone now. Well, anyways, guys. Just wanted to show you what's happened to the brook since the rainstorm. It's changed quite a lot. Yep. Which means new things are always going to happen. Anyways. See you guys, and I'll talk to you all again soon. Bye.